A winter storm, intensifying into a blizzard, is sweeping through the plains and upper Midwest, bringing heavy snow, freezing rain, and strong winds. The hazardous conditions pose significant travel risk during the busy holiday week. The National Weather Service warns of frequent wind gusts ranging from 50 to 60 miles per hour on Tuesday, with isolated gusts reaching up to 75 miles per hour. These strong winds have the potential to topple trees and power lines, creating blizzard conditions that may render travel, quote, difficult to near impossible. Blizzard warnings are in effect for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Kansas, Colorado, and Wyoming on Tuesday. Blizzard conditions occur when blowing snow and sustained strong winds persist for at least 3 hours, reducing visibility to a quarter mile or less, CNN reported. Additional snowfall of 6 inches or more is expected in portions of South Dakota, Nebraska, and Wyoming, with some areas anticipating snowfall totals exceeding a foot from Monday through Tuesday. In certain regions, the primary winter weather threat has transitioned from snow to ice. A mix of sleet and freezing rain could lead to scattered power outages and dangerously icy roads and sidewalks in parts of the northern plains and upper Midwest. Ice storm warnings are in effect for portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota through Tuesday evening.